Oh, and today, like Miles telling you, how about today you're my guest, so how about let's just do some little fun. Get to watch some TV. And you get to watch some TV. How fun is that? Some adult TV. Yeah, and like I was talking about, that is pretty good. I got top thumbs up.
Source of fiber. A clinical study shows kids who have certain breakfast apparel frosted meat
wait, stay here. It's going to be blind. Have to do this. Have to. For a long time. I cannot believe when I'm stop this. We're running out of control. Bye. Okay, that was trouble. So, what do you guys want to do? Color. This. And wait a minute, here's some TV.
At a practical price. Find it where you find today. And try the elegant sense of Japanese language. S.C. Johnson, a family company.
Hello! Why don't you try a home-cooked meal with yummy hamburger helper? Fantastically tasty, huh?
Just some TV for a while, for like a long time, for about an hour, I think. Sorry guys, but it will. Even commercials, okay.
Yes.
Cinnamon bun. Okay, bye-bye, here's TV.
Well, there's the house maybe burned down and they're fixing it, I don't know. Some of these places that we go to, like out there in the middle of nowhere, it could be kind of tricky. So we're looking for the address and we don't see the house. See if you can find an actual physical number or something that has the address.
Couldn't TV for a long time.
So we get to this place looking for this, F-150 truck, and it doesn't seem to be anywhere in sight. It's like a little country type of house in the middle of nowhere. Before you know it, some guy came out, the owner of the property. You looking for Robert? Robert? What's the problem? What's the last name on that? We're looking for Robert. No, Robert. And I appreciate you getting off my property. Okay, now we'll get off the property as soon as we're done talking to this gentleman. Nobody here about it. Okay, well maybe how about the F-150, the no transport pickup truck? You guys have anything like that? You don't know what you're talking about here. You only need to run you off the property now. Okay, we're getting off the property, but we have a legitimate reason to be here. I'll have to go and make sure you guys know what's around the area. And then we'll check the other side to make sure it's on the other side. Maybe they get something changed.
Watch, we're gonna pull a gun on him.
Okay.
Oh my buttons.
If you know him, it'd be a lot easier.
That old man?
Now, sir, we're gonna leave.
Who's the one pull a gun out?
I'm the representative.
Who's the one pull a gun out? Which one?
Paid for here. Okay, I appreciate that.
Get the hell out of the property now.
Sir, just let me explain to you, man.
Who the hell are you people? Get out.
We're repossessing this Ford F-150. We need a Ford F-150.
You son of a... Get the hell off my property.
Sir, you're gonna have a heart attack. Relax.
Hey,
okay, calm down. So I get this man, he's hostile, yelling up a storm, Then I get three guys come out of the church, man. We're gonna leave. We're gonna leave. We just wanna.
I don't want you.
We're gonna leave, okay? Relax. Fine.
Look at here. They're gonna take our cars. What the hell they want?
Sir, as you were. I'm not here to take your cars. I'm looking for Robert. I need an F-150 on the You guys even have, you know the name? You guys maybe use that Canadians or something and finance a truck? These guys were just really just yapping, telling me to get off the property. I don't even know if it was their property. I didn't have ID. You know, I don't know who these cats really were. Okay. Get out, Linda. Get out of here. Get a pen. Write down a place for those cars. You want to play games? You guys want to play games? Don't touch me, okay?
Come on. What I was doing was I was getting the plates off of the cars that are already parked there. When we do that, it helps us find out more information about these people. When I was doing that, one of the sons coming out of my face a little bit, like trying to rip the pen out of my hand, and I was getting a punch in the face.
Oh yeah, and the show is long, but still gonna go.
The two guys
Okay, about ready to do it?
went inside that little shack and pulled out some weapons.
Almost. Recording a video. Oh my gosh, guns! I'm recording TV. I'm recording you.
With my own family this time. I gotta go.
What am I going to do? You just told me to get a signature.
It's only the damn problem.
What about the